About 7 years ago, Annie started talking about this guy, Bob, who she met while dressed in full lederhosen. I first met Bob at one of Annie's Nyack lacrosse games. He was so kind and easy to talk to. Seeing you guys really are the perfect match and always are doing such fun things together. You guys really are perfect for each other and are really meant to be.
From the first moment I met Big Bob, I thought, boy, this is a really good guy. He is solid, fun, smart, a big sports fan, and truly a great companion to Annie. As time went on and their relationship grew, I came to realize that my first impressions were absolutely correct. Bob, you are a great guy, and we are absolutely delighted to have you join our family.
I, Robert, take you, Anne, to be my wife.
I, Anne, take you, Robert, to be my husband.
And I promise,
before God and these witnesses,
to be your loving and faithful husband.
In plenty and in want,
In joy and in sorrow,
in sickness and in health,
as long as we both shall live.
You may kiss.
Just like a picture on the wall, and now I know how to steer. I'm not afraid if I should fall, yeah. It took some tears, oh, but together we were strong, and now I feel a burning beat inside my heart. And I feel alive for the first time in my life, oh baby, I feel alive tonight. You lift me up before I fall too far. You lift me up, yeah, help me see the stars. You pick me up when all my hope is gone. You lift me up, you lift me up, you lift me up.
When Annie and Bob started dating, he was so happy when he talked about her. I knew he had found someone special, and I couldn't wait to meet her. Witnessing Annie and Bob's relationship from my point of view was a delight. They traveled the world and saw amazing places together. But through all of this, I had the pleasure of watching their relationship grow stronger. When Bob ultimately told me he was going to ask Annie to marry him, I believe my response was, well, duh. After all, he had truly found the one, and everyone around him knew it too. May you always continue to achieve your goals and aspirations, and may you have a long life together filled with love, happiness, and many, many more adventures. Cheers.